That's true. Like a folder, and we categorize people like, this is not, he's lying, so I'm gonna put him in liar. So I think that's normal, but we do it extra.
But yes, I felt being profiled. She didn't look at me up and down though, but she went straight, looked into my eye. Yeah, she struck in my eyes, like looking into my soul. What profile should I give this girl? You know what I mean?
I may have like esotropia, hindi mo na makatingin ng diretso. But dude, this is one habit.
He enters the room, he, again, same thing, looks around, and then he found me. Oh, that's my trainer. Look, stared a little bit longer than the rest of everybody, and then veers away. But she side-eyed me a lot. Fucking side-eyed me a lot. She looks like this, okay? Look at me in the eye. Yung pag may tanong, para bang bawal ka magtanong yung tanga? So, totoo, sis. Bawal ka, parang, di ba pag ano pa?
Ano ka ba? Iniisip ko rin kasi noon. If you're gonna talk to me in Tagalog, like, is she foreign?
Ang tagal nyo mag-warm up, ang tagal nyo mag-boil. Te, di ba, kailangan ko na umihi. Puta, ang tagal kumulo. Oh my God, baliw. Buang. Buang din pala.
You know what I did? I left the GC. I still messaged her. I'm like, girl, I love you a lot. I wish you luck and all that. I unfriended her on Facebook and I do not have plans of reconnecting.
Say,
Like,
okay, can I just say this, say, can I just say this? I like the rhyme here. This is a Virgo thing.
Uh-oh. Without judging us.
You go, girl.
Because that's our love language. So I think
Yeah.
that going back to say sexual.
You rehearsed it in your head.
Yeah.
Pinag-isipan na yan.
Not only that. And not be the same,
Yes,
kasi,
that's
diba,
very Virgo.
You're the problem, not me. So parang I think it's a Virgo
I
thing.
love that. Virgo,
So-
Virgo yun, ha? It's not, the problem's not me.
The problem's not me. Kasi ganun talaga. I mean,
yeah.
This will tie to relationships, Kasi when you ask me to confirm if I'm in a relationship,
Situation, puta, anong gagawin ko? Ang step,
Of listening to my other self argue with my other self.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
You're playing it. Like, do you agree with her? Anyway, we have a very busy mind. That's it. And probably that's why I'm in training and development. Part it here. How does it look like? Oh, let's reverse engineer it.
talk to myself alone lang. Wala. They wouldn't think I'm going bananas. Pero kasi, not because I'm driving, I'm just talking about, road rage and all that. Hindi. There are things that I've done earlier in the past. Paano kaya ang gagawin ko doon? Kasi nasabi ko pa yun eh. Ano ka ba? Ba't mo kasi sinabi pa yun? Dapat ganito. O sige, babawi ako. And that's just me by myself.
Ano ka ba? Bakit man kasi? Kaya ko naman yun eh. Bakit kasi para talagang buang, di ba?
self.
At sabi ko sa'yo, kung hindi ka nagalaw, pati ikaw lalabhan ko.
Oh my God!
Totoo yan.
I can't even, kapag nag-argue sila, hindi ako makasama. Parang ganun mo. Ganong level na.
Oh yeah.
Maingay siya talaga. And I think I'm not sick.
We,
I'm not
di
sick.
nga.
100%
I'm normal.
we're not.
Okay?
Virgos are walking fucking receipts. Okay? They are receipts. And we'll find out more when it comes to love. When it comes to challenges.
Ako, na-order na namin lahat sa menu putre. Wala kaming pinag-uusapan. Sabi ko, oh my God, this person cannot be my partner. He has to be a good conversationalist. Ba't ka tumatawa? Sabi niya sa akin, na namin ang wedding coord. Ganun kabilis. Alam mo yung akala mo taxi cab fury na siya? Di na nga masyadong gwapo eh. Kasi nga, hindi ko na nga perfectionist, no? Basta okay, basta pleasant, basta naliligo, basta marunong magbihis. Okay na nga yun.
Trabaho.
Oo, kasi mo naman. Balikan ko yung picture, papangit.
Aray
Handsome
ko.
ka. Diyos ko, sa sabi ko, ang ganda ko naman masyado.
Gusto ko ma-turn off. One na turn off ko is, Christian is doing this. You know if somebody texts me with a Jejemon text? Puta pre, nega. Putang ina ba? Sorry the term, but yeah. Sorry for my French, but yeah.
Aray ko.
So you literally okay.
Yung kasi hindi masyadong mabango, matuturuan mong maligo eh.
True.
think it's still the perfect
Intentional.
perfectionist side. Intentional!
There you go.
Yes!
But
Nilaglag
that's
ka ng Virgo.
Ayoko na mukhang mabaho. Ganun.
I think general naman yun. Ano ba? With my recent experience, bobo nga ni.
Yeah, yun. Sabi ko na, hinihintay ko lang eh. Hear this from Say first. Because
Bleep it. Or not. Bleep it. Or not. Bleep it. Bleep it. Or not.